dudes, welcome to my channel. If you like this look, make sure to stay tuned. Here we go. So, I figured that I would just talk about what's going on in my life now since my last voiceover. Well, I'm getting a new apartment. The search is over now, thank the Lord, because it's just been so difficult, and this apartment that I'm in right now, we cannot live here anymore. We cannot live here. But we're supposed to move into the new apartment in July. My German class is going terribly. I hate every second of it, but you know, it's whatever. There's one chick in the class, she gets me through the day because she's so hilarious. She's from Romania, but she's so freaking funny. But I can't say like the stuff she says because she says like swear words and stuff, and I don't want my video to get like, you know. But I am really scared that I'm not going to be able to pass the test at the end of the class because I can't write a letter in German. It's so annoying. And it's like worth most of the test, and it's just so stupid. I hate it. So it's dumb. German's, I mean, I guess it's fine because I get to learn a new language, and then like when I'm in the US, I can talk crap about people in German with my husband and they won't know, you know what I'm saying? So maybe. I mean, I can speak German pretty good, I think, but everybody tells me I speak it pretty good, I guess, but I can't write that letter. I don't even know why I have to write a letter, because who writes letters anymore, really? Who writes them? No one I know. I don't know a single person who writes freaking letters. This past weekend, one of my husband's friends just had a birthday party, and it was pretty fun. I don't know how old he was turning. I just know he was turning old. But, yeah, and we had a pretty good time. I started getting really, really tired at like 10 o'clock, so I was like, I'm going upstairs, I'm going to sleep, because we were staying like at this place where the party was above, staying in like a little apartment for the weekend, and they freaking partied until like 2 a.m. or something. I don't know. I kept falling asleep and waking up because it was so loud. They were playing the music so loud. And just, I was like, what are they even doing anymore? What are they doing? Like, it's 2 a.m. What could you possibly, and I asked my husband, because he didn't come up yet. He wanted to stay with his friend. And he was like, there was only like 5 people still in there when I came up here. And I was like, what were you guys even doing? I'm starting to run out of things to talk about. Well, there's some women in my class that are, in my German class, that are pregnant. There's 3 of them. One of them is the Romanian chick, so she does not annoy me. But some of the women in there, they're like telling me like, when are you going to have kids? Why don't you have kids yet? Are you pregnant? Are you going to get pregnant? And I'm like, I'm 21. Why do I need to have kids yet? My husband's only 30. He's not that old either. We've got like at least 20 years to have children. Why do I need to have them now? Why can I not have fun and go on vacations and spend money for myself and not for my children? It's just, it's annoying. Just because you have kids younger doesn't mean I want to have kids younger. So mind your business. Mind your business. Also, for my next video, I'm thinking I'm gonna do like 10 things that I found that like is crazy different here in Germany than it is in the United States of America. So I'm thinking of doing a video like that, like 10 things. And so I think, yeah. So if anybody watches this video and they would like to see a video about things that are different in Germany, you can comment in the bottom of my video and tell me if you think it is a good idea or not. You know, now that I'm thinking about it, you know what I really miss in the US that they don't have here in Germany is freaking Reese's peanut butter cups. Those things are so delicious. I miss them so much. Maybe I'll get my family to send me some in the mail or something so I could have them. Oh, you know what me and my best friend back home do at the movie theater when we're there and stuff? We order popcorn and we order Reese's Pieces, the little like M&M shaped ones. And then we put that in with the popcorn and then we eat it together and it tastes so good, like with the melted peanut butter chocolatey stuff, popcorn. It's so good. I highly recommend, highly recommend. Definitely do it the next time you go to the movie theater. I promise you it will change your life. Also, the reason I'm mostly doing this voiceover is because I've run out of royalty-free music and I don't want to keep putting the same music on there over and over again because I know that's really annoying. Well, to me, at least, I don't like it. So, and I ran out of that free trial for that royaltyfreemusic.com thingy. So, and I ain't paying for that. Yeah, and it's like $15 a month. Why would I pay that? That's ridiculous. Anyway, the video is almost over. I really like this color of lipstick. It's really cute. The makeup look ended up looking really good too. I was really happy with it. I thought I looked hot, like HAWT hot. Thank you for watching, guys. Love you so much. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Bye!